My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Topic 5, Homeostasis. Our learning outcome B. Examine the adaptations and management of different plant categories, xylophytes, mesophytes, and hydrophytes, based on their osmoregulatory abilities and the application of excretory plant products in everyday life. We are going to look at learning activity B. Using the project-based learning method, learners investigate excretory products in plants, latex, anthocyanins, oils, quinine and saponins to discover their uses in everyday life. Excretory products in plants. Item 1. Latex-producing plants. Learner observe a broken stem of a rubber plant or a pawpaw exuding a milky substance. Task. Identify the excretory product observed. Investigate 2 uses of this substance in everyday life. Explain its significance to the plant. Identify the excretory product observed. It is latex. Investigate 2 uses of this substance in everyday life. Manufacture of rubber products like tires and gloves, used in adhesive and chewing gum. Explain its significance to the plant. It seals wounds to prevent water loss and protects the plants from herbivores due to toxicity. Excretory products in plants. Item 2. Color changes in fruits and flowers. Learners examine red cabbage leaves, hibiscus flower, or ripe berries. Task. Identify the pigment responsible for the color. Investigate its uses in everyday life. State its role in plants. Identify the pigment responsible for the color. Anthocyanins. Investigate its use in everyday life. Natural food coloring, pH indicator in laboratories, used in cosmetics and dyes. State its role in plants. Attracts pollinators and seed dispersers. Protects plant tissues from ultraviolet radiation. Let's go to excretory products in plants. Item 3. Aromatic plants and essential oils. Learners crush leaves of eucalyptus, mint, or lemongrass and notes a strong smell. Task: identify the plant excretory product responsible. List 3 uses in everyday life. Explain its benefits to the plant. Identify the plant excretory product responsible. Plant oils, essential oils. List 3 uses in everyday life. Perfumes and cosmetics, medicines and antiseptics, flavoring foods. Explain its benefit to the plants. Repel herbivores and pests. Reduces fungal and bacterial infections. Excretory products in plants. Item 4. Medicinal plants and quinine. Learners investigate cinchona tree bark or discuss traditional malaria remedies. Task: identify the excretory product obtained from cinchona bark. State 2 medicinal uses. Explain why the plant produces this substance. Identify the excretory product obtained from cinchona bark. Quinine. State 2 medicinal uses. Treatment of malaria, used in tonic water. Explain why the plant produces this substance. Protects the plant against insect attack due to bitterness. Excretory products in plants, item 5. Soap producing plants. Learners wash hands using crushed soap berry or observe forming when plant extracts are shaken with water. Task: identify the plant excretory product responsible for forming. State 2 everyday uses. Explain its importance to plants. Identify the plant excretory products responsible for forming. Saponins. State 2 everyday uses. Used in soap and detergents. Used in medicinal preparations. Used as natural pesticides. Explain its importance to plants. Protects plant from pathogens and herbivores. Excretory products in plants, item 6. Group project presentation. Learners present findings using charts, samples, photos, or short reports. Task: summarize findings on one plant excretory product. Explain why these products are considered excretory. Suggest one way this knowledge benefits society. Summarize findings on one plant excretory product. Correct identification, the source, and uses of the products should be included in your summary. Explain why these products are considered excretory. They are metabolic byproducts not required for plant growth. They are stored or secreted away from active tissues. Suggest one way this knowledge benefits society. Improved medicine production, industrial raw materials, and economic value through agriculture and trade. Comparative summary table. Excretory product, plant source, everyday use. Latex is found in rubber plants and it is used in making tires and gloves. Anthocyanins The source are flowers and fruits. They are used in making dyes and indicators. Oils. Source eucalyptus, mint. Everyday use in perfumes and medicine. Quinine. Plant source is cinchona. Everyday use as anti-malarial drugs. Saponin. Plant source soapberry. Everyday use in soap and pesticides. Marking emphasis. Correctly identify excretory products. Link structure, stock function to uses. Conduct simple investigations. Present findings clearly. And use correct biological terminology. Summary. Plants produce various excretory products such as latex, anthocyanins, oils, quinine, and saponins. Though waste products to plants, they are valuable to humans for medicine, industry, and daily life. Thank you for participating in Topic 5, Homeostasis. We have been looking at learning outcome B. Examine the adaptations and the management of different plant categories, xylophytes, mesophytes, and hydrophytes, based on their osmoregulatory abilities and the application of excretory plant products in everyday life. We have been looking at learning activity B. Using the project-based learning method, learners investigate excretory products in plants, latex, anthocyanins, oils, quinine, and saponins to discover their uses in everyday life. If it has been useful to you, please visit me at Mugabi Joshua Biology on YouTube.